Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to check how well you know English grammar. Take a look at the screen and say what's wrong with this sentence. Correct it. You have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the second part of this sentence? It's called an indirect question. An indirect question is a question which appears within another sentence. So it is usually in the second part of the sentence, and the word order is not as in usual questions in English. You are supposed to use a direct order here. So you don't need to say, what does she want? You need to say what she wants. So this is a direct word order. First you have a question word, what, then you have a subject, she, and then you have the word wants. It doesn't look as a question at all, right? But that's the point. This is an indirect question, and in those, we are supposed to use a direct word order. No inversion. We don't know what she wants. That's the correct way to formulate this idea. Now, take a look at the screen. There are two sentences. I don't understand, and what do you mean? Your job is to combine these two sentences and create an indirect question. Pause the video and do it right now. I challenge you. Are you ready to check? I don't understand what you mean. So the second part of the sentence should be like this. No inversion, a direct word order. Such kind of questions are often used in reported speech when you do not quote a person word for word. If the second part of such sentences is a general question, then we usually use the conjunction if or whether and say something like this. She asked if you want to join us. So we have, she asked, do you want to join us? And if we combine these two sentences, that's how it should go. She asked if you want to join us. We can use whether instead. She asked whether you want to join us. This is the case when we use a general question in the second part of the sentence. But if it is a special question, for example, you don't need if. She asked what you would like to wear. She asked, what would you like to wear? But if we combine these two, we have she asked what you would like to wear. The word order changes, so be careful. If you still are not sure about this topic, make sure to let me know. And if there are any confusing topics you would like me to cover, also write a comment. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.